other plant lovers. So it's been 2 months since we have been maintaining garden for Sridevi ma'am. This is a beautiful garden. It's pretty huge. So we have been maintaining for past 2 months. And today we'll be asking her experience, how it has been for past 2 months, and what are the inputs for us, and what are the improvements we have to do.
Has been very good. I see some positive changes, although it is very early for me to make any drastic statement. So I see positive changes. I see my roses blooming, which is the most important thing. Basically, all the plants actually look very green and very healthy. Most important. Within 2-3 hours, it's very difficult to do everything together, but it needs to be planned.
Sure.
I would really suggest that everyone should go with Biotech Maali with this. Suggest and try to get maintenance from it. It is really good. At least so far that I have seen, the last 1 month has been really very good.
Perfect. Thanks a lot, ma'am. And I will take all these inputs and plan accordingly from next visit. And that was a great feedback. Thanks a lot. And that was Sridevi ma'am, and we have been maintaining her garden. And for more such maintenance also, you can contact us or DM us. And if you also like the content, then do not forget to follow Biotech Maali and share this video. Thank you so much.